Texan Global School. Multiplication. 9 times table. In this class, the multiplication of whole numbers is analyzed. Specifically multiplying by 9. Remember that multiplication is repeated addition. This means that multiplying implies adding one of them, the number of times of the other. Any number multiplied by 9 results in the same number ninefold. Let's see a first example. If we multiply 9 by 1, this means that we add 9 only once. Or we add 1 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 1 is 9. The model represents 9 squares in 9 rows by a column. So, we have 9 ones. Hence, we conclude that 9 times 1 is 9. If we now multiply 9 by 2, this means that we add 9 2 times. Or we add 2 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 2 is 18. The model represents 9 rows by 2 columns, thus having 18 squares or 18 ones. Hence, we conclude that 9 times 2 is 18. Now, multiply 9 by 3. We add 9 3 times. Or we add 3 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 3 is 27. The model represents 9 rows by 3 columns. So we have 27 ones. Thus, we conclude that 9 times 3 is 27. Then, multiply 9 by 4. We add 9 4 times. Or we add 4 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 4 is 36. The model represents 9 rows by 4 columns. So we have 36 ones. Thus, we conclude that 9 times 4 is 36. Then, multiply 9 by 5. We add 9 5 times. Or we add 5 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 5 is 45. The model represents 9 rows by 5 columns. So we have 45 ones. Thus, we conclude that 9 times 5 is 45. Now, multiply 9 by 6. We add 9 6 times. Or we add 6 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 6 is 54. The model represents 9 rows by 6 columns. So, we have 54 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 9 times 6 is 54. Now, multiply 9 by 7. We add 9 7 times. Or we add 7 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 7 is 63. The model represents 9 rows by 7 columns. So, we have 63 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 9 times 7 is 63. Now, multiply 9 by 8. So, we add 9 8 times. Or we add 8 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 8 is 72. The model represents 9 rows by 8 columns. So we have 72 ones. Hence, we conclude that 9 times 8 is 72. Then, multiply 9 by 9. So, we add 9 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 9 is 81. The model represents 9 rows by 9 columns. So we have 81 ones. Thus, we conclude that 9 times 9 is 81. From this specific case, the square of a number is derived. Therefore, multiplying 9 by 9 is equivalent to 9 squared. That is, multiply the base 9, the number of times of the exponent 2. This is the reason why the model represents a square and not a rectangle as in previous cases. Finally, multiply 9 by 10. We add 9 10 times. Or we add 10 9 times. Therefore, 9 times 10 is 90. The model represents 9 rows by 10 columns. So we have 90 ones. Hence, we conclude that 9 times 10 is 90. In summary, any number multiplied by 9 results in the same value ninefold. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, 63. 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 10, 90. Observe the pattern in the table of how, to each result, 9 units are added. Texan Global School. Global online learning. Knowledge for the world. www.texanglobalschool.com